Get you some bundles, honey. Get you some bundles, honey. Okay, get you some bundles, honey. Hey y'all, I'm back again with the same sweater on. I don't give no fuck. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys a hair review on this hair that I have purchased like a couple weeks ago. Yeah, I did purchase this like about 2 weeks ago, and I had this hair in for about a week now. All I can say is that this hair is really soft. Like, I don't have no problems with this hair so far, really no problem. Only thing was like little tangles here and there. This hair is really nice. It's easy to comb through, as you guys can see. It's really nice. It's easy to flat iron. Like, usually when you get like really bad hair, you would have to go over it like a couple times for you to straighten it. But with this hair, all you have to do is go over it at least 2 times, or possibly 1 time, with this brush or some type of detangler brush or regular brush, or even this comb. You can even use this comb and detangle this whole shit, because this hair is freaking bomb. Like, it's really bomb. Look at this. With a freaking, this is the type of comb I'm using on this hair, and nothing is coming out. Nothing, okay? Nothing is coming out. Not one strand of hair is coming out of this comb, okay? You guys understand what I'm saying? Not one strand of hair, and you guys can see me combing through this shit, and nothing is coming out. Nothing is coming out. Nothing is coming out. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, this hair is really good. I definitely recommend this hair. Remind you guys, I did bleach this closure, and I can say that this hair takes bleach very well. It automatically started bleaching as soon as I put the bleach on the damn hair. Like, I was so shocked, because I did not think that this $120 hair would bleach so freaking quick. So if this freaking closure can bleach in a matter of minutes, I know for a fact if I decide to bleach these bundles, it's gonna bleach very well. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm loving this hair, and if you guys like this hair as well, you can just go on their website, Hairinbeauty.com. Very cheap hair, very affordable. Even the longest lengths is very affordable. I mean, this is a freaking 22-inch bundle, and I only paid $120 for it, with a 20-inch closure with it. So, like, where are you gonna get this from? Because other stores online, they sell it for $300 or more. You know what I'm saying? Like, they be doing too much with them prices. So I'm glad I could find a freaking store that sell these type of hairs for very cheap, very affordable, and you know, I don't have to break my pockets to get a couple bundles. You know what I'm saying? Get you some bundles, honey. Get you some bundles, honey. Okay, get you some bundles, honey. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do that right now. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you like this video, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do that right now. And don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you guys can know whenever I post another video. So press that bell right next to the subscription button. Thank you very much, honey. You know what I'm saying? Like I was saying on my video, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.